The RTAA, the Rail Track Association of Australia, is a non-for-profit organisation dedicated to pursuing the interests of the Australian rail community. So we bring together all the contractors, manufacturers, suppliers, operators, maintainers together through many of our technical and networking events.
The RTAA invites membership from individuals, corporations, government bodies, tertiary education providers and institutions.
It's very important for industry to participate in an industry association like the RTAA for many reasons and benefits. One doesn't want to work in isolation. I think it's very important to understand what the lessons learned, the knowledge sharing and building those connections with individuals and companies.
Our members enjoy exclusive benefits, including access to free or discounted industry and networking events.
It's receiving regular industry updates of the rail industry. Free entry to all RTAA events, meetings across Australia throughout the whole year. Discounted access to other industry events that RTAA sponsor.
I think it's been able to get our product out to our membership base because for us our challenge is getting to such a wide and large membership base, and we find that the RTAA allows us to be able to do that through their events. We greatly love coming to their events, especially the field days, because it gets us connected with our clients, our members, and that's what we find great about it.
We host the Field Day every 2 years, which showcases innovation and technology in the rail industry, the largest outdoor rail event in Australia.
We normally have about 30 to 50 suppliers, manufacturers that get together. So the RTAA provides that platform to share knowledge and networking. Yeah, it's a real opportunity for career progression for individuals as well as continuing professional development for their employees.
From 2011 onwards, I've been visiting RTAA's events, and I can tell you it has been growing from strength to strength every year. It's amazing to see how it's progressed.
Benefits for attending the field day for Martinez Rail are definitely around seeing people, our clients or potential clients, in a more relaxed atmosphere, and I think very much in a hands-on type of atmosphere where we can talk about the products or the services. We can show them through the equipment that we have, and I think that's really important for them to be able to see that in a real-world application.
And we're looking to the future. We'll focus on helping you overcome challenges in the rail industry, such as skill shortages.
So we've got a massive boom of rail works happening, and we're having to bring people in from everywhere else. And it's just an effort of bringing everyone else up to speed while you've also got the experts are all reaching an age where they're starting to retire as well. So we're also losing skills at the same time.
We want to ensure rail is more inclusive for everyone who works in the rail and track sectors, while we encourage knowledge sharing and foster collaboration between individuals and organisations. We invite you to sign up to our online newsletter for free, and we will keep you up to date on the upcoming events, networking and initiatives, both within the RTAA and among the greater rail community. Join us today at rtaa.org.au.